Hello, in this video I will show you how to make chart in Excel. So let's begin. At first, of course, you have to start a new document or open your already created document. So when it's done, you have to make a table with your data. So I will make an example. Just some data to show you how to make it. So now you have to mark all the data and then click insert at the top of the Excel, and here are the charts, so you have to choose one of them. And as you can see, the chart is working, and even if you change the data, the chart will update, so this is nice. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, bye.